how to contact Gates.io customer support. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact Gates.io customer support. To do so, the first step is to log in into your account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, you will be brought to your own page automatically. Once you're on this page, you can see two buttons by the bottom side which showcases quick buy, deposit, and then you'll see the amount of assets you have and all of that. Then once you can do see all of that, move to the top left corner where you can see your profile icon and click on it. So after clicking on that and you're brought to your profile page, you can see your name, you can see profile and settings, you can see your verification status. Then once you can see it together with other options, move to the top right side of the screen where you can see three icons: the help icon, the scan icon, and then the profile icon. Just go ahead and click on the help icon. And then once you're brought to this stage, you can see help center, contact support, submit a ticket, user feedback. Now all of this stands for the support system of Gates.io. All right, so for help center, you check out facts, articles, and guides. For contact support, to be able to start a live chat with a customer support specialist. Submit a ticket, you'll send an email, and then you can also send a user feedback. So to contact the support directly, that is for a live chat, just click on start a live chat with our customer support specialist. And then once you've done that, the page would load and you'll be taken to the customer support page where you'd be able to chat with a live agent. So you can see the boat, and you can see the different topics that you can ask questions on. So the next step is for you to select the the topic that you want to talk about. Then click on the search box at the bottom part of the screen and go ahead and type out your question. All right, and you will receive answers within swift minutes. So this is an example, as you can see. So just follow the instructions and you're good to go. So this is how you can contact the customer support on Gates.io. Thank you for watching and ensure you have a good day.